Hello everyone, Uni here from Oz. I hope you're having a good day like me. Had some girls around for scrapbooking yesterday, so we had a damn fine time. I know I've talked about previously in other videos a company called Kaszazz. They're an Australian paper crafting supply company based in Adelaide. They do make all their own stamps, their own stencils and their own chipboards, and they offer some really good deals. Now, I am a consultant with them and I do get a small commission on any purchases that are made through my website. But I am not getting paid to promote this. But I was really excited to receive the card box. So this little box, I haven't opened it yet. You can create at least 50 cards. Obviously, some Australiana in here. And they're offering it on special at the moment for 40% off. I will put a link below if you would like to have a look at it. So I thought I'd give a quick look at what's in the box because I really don't know. Kaszazz is a 25-year-old company. It's all Australian owned. So that is why I do like to support them. So let's open the box and see what we've got. So we've got the contents here. We've got cards, blank cards, collage paper, chipboards, stencils, silhouettes, essential pieces, whatever they are, and quote sheets. And obviously, oh, here's our little inspiration sheets of the kind of cards you can make. Now, I know that a lot of these products you can buy individually through Kaszazz on my website, but obviously looking at the images here, some of these are exclusive to this Christmas box. Here in Australia we have Christmas and summer, so Australian themed Christmas is very popular for us, of course. We don't get any snow at Christmas, but we certainly get a lot of sunshine. Anyway, let's have a look. So we've got some chipboard here. So in the chipboard we've got snowflakes and stars, Santa hat stockings and Merry Christmas words. We've got some baubles. We've got some Santas and snowman, and we've got some music notes. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, stencils. We've got some flowery stencil, flowers, snowflakes, dots, whatever you like, and some music notes like that. Lovely. Ah, cutouts. Never seen these before. So these are obviously cutouts in looks like red and green. We've got some swirls. Oh, and plain paper. So we've only got one cutout there, and oh no, there's another one. So we've got a red cutout with some swirls and a green cutout with some bells and holly, and we've got some red and green paper which we can use as mats. We've also got, oh my word, so we've got some sheets of images. So we've got some children, some creatures, some Australiana, some more Australianas and Christmas. I haven't seen these images before. These are obviously exclusive to the box. These are beautiful. Love this vintage style of image. Just lovely. They are really, really my cup of tea. Just love them. We've got some words, some sentiments, some more sentiments, and a mixture of sentiments and words. Looks like this is all the cardstock, so we have all the cardstock in white. I think there's 50 pieces, and we also have black. And to top it all off, we have the collage pad, which is the Australian Christmas. I'll just rip it open. These collage pads have been really good and really popular. So the collage pad, you get 48 images, 12 designs, 4 of each design. They are a slightly lighter weight paper at 140 GSM, so not a heavy card. And we've got Australiana, of course, and more Australiana flowers, which I always use at Christmas. Oh, that's a new one. So obviously that's a bit cute with the Starry Night and the van. And some holly wreaths. And some Christmas trees. Really pretty. Love the watercolour look. Days of December. Some more watercolour Australiana. Those I do believe are Proteas, or Waratahs, Proteas, and flowering gum. Another flowering gum Australia. And we got some background paper. Some sentiments, nice, very bright, big sentiments. Some images you can colour in or use them as is. Some Australian creatures, they're always fun. These also come in stamps, and I have them, and they are terrific. And that's it. So, a great little box full of goodies from Kaszazz in relation to starting off Christmas. I do believe I will be doing some Christmas things with my scrapbooking girls next month. Whether we do cards or whether we do a layout, I don't know. I will leave it up to them what they like. So if you're interested in having a look at the card making value box for Christmas, it is at a 40% discount at the moment. There is a link below to it in my Kaszazz website. It's very easy to use, pick and click, and it can be sent to you directly. Anyway, think about Christmas, it's coming. I've already started to make little stocking fillers and bits and pieces. So enjoy your day, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.